Join me as I dive into the hidden struggles that shaped the reigns of Mary and Elizabeth. Can I uncover the secret pains that defined their stories? Mary the First and Elizabeth the First, two of England's most influential queens, left indelible marks on history. Their leadership, though vastly different, was shaped by secret pains that few often discuss. What if I told you that behind their powerful personas lay complex struggles that influenced their every move? Mary the First, also known as Bloody Mary, faced the daunting task of restoring Catholicism in a predominantly Protestant England. This was not just a religious battle, it was personal. Her own mother, Anna Boleyn, had broken with the Catholic Church, leading to Mary's illegitimacy in the eyes of many. This painful legacy fueled her determination but also her ruthlessness. She saw the Protestant reformers as threats not just to her authority but to her very right to rule. Elizabeth I, on the other hand, walked a tightrope of political and religious intrigue, known as the Virgin Queen. Her single status was both a strategic choice and a source of immense pressure. With no husband to share the throne, Elizabeth had to navigate the male-dominated world of politics with caution. Her decision to remain unmarried was a powerful statement of independence, but it also left her vulnerable to plots and conspiracies. The religious turmoil of their time added another layer of complexity. Mary's attempts to restore Catholicism led to the persecution of Protestants, earning her a notorious reputation. Elizabeth, however, took a more measured approach, establishing the Church of England with her as its head. This move was both a political and religious strategy aimed at unifying a fractured nation. Their personal lives were deeply intertwined with their political decisions. Mary's marriage to Philip II of Spain was a strategic alliance, but it also made her deeply unpopular with her people. Elizabeth's single status with a symbol of power also meant she had to rely on her advisors and military might to protect her throne. A pivotal moment for Mary was the White Rebellion, a Protestant uprising that aimed to overthrow her. The rebellion's failure led to a wave of executions, further cementing her bloody legacy. For Elizabeth, the pivotal moment was the defeat of the Spanish Armada, a victory that not only secured England's independence but also solidified her reputation as a shrewd and capable leader. These movements, though well documented, were influenced by the secret pains of their past. Mary's struggle with her mother's legacy and Elizabeth's pressure of being a female leader in a male-dominated world shaped their decisions. These pains, though hidden, left lasting impacts on their reigns and legacies. In summary, Mary and Elizabeth's reigns were shaped by hidden pains that influenced their leadership styles and decisions. From religious strife to personal struggles, their stories are a testament to the complexities of leadership. So, which of these two queens do you find more intriguing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you are fascinated by the Tudor dynasty, check out my next video where we explore more about their captivating stories.